Hey, my name is Robbie Jeffcoat. I'm with BadgePass, and today we're going to look at changing the ribbon on the Connect card printer. So the first thing we want to do is we want to remove the old card printer. So up here at the top of the printer, you'll notice this little indent. We're going to press down. It's going to open the top of the printer. Simply just pull the old ribbon out, and you can discard it. To change it, we're going to take our new ribbon that just came in. We're going to open it from the plastic. On the side of the ribbon, you're going to notice there's a sticker. This sticker will tell you which type of ribbon it is. So there's two different types. There's the YMCKO, which is going to do color on front and color on back, and the YMCKO-K, which is going to do color on the front and black on the back. You'll also want to notice on this ribbon there are two little feet, two little prongs, like prong-like feet are going to be here. These want to face the front of the printer. So when you go in, you want to simply have the feet facing the front of the printer. You want to insert it in and close the top. So once you do that, the printer is then going to recalibrate, as you can hear now. But that's it. It's just that easy to change your ribbon on the Connect card printer.